Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's good to see you again.
If you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Aaron.
And we're Avery Street Design Studio.
Yep.
So we're back for another Wednesday
We
edition.
are. It's exciting.
Quick, easy project to get you guys through the week. What we're making today is something I didn't even know existed, and I could have used them at Thanksgiving.
Yep.
But I always use disposable pans to cook all my casseroles and stuff in, and they're very flimsy when they've got heavy food in them. So it's a foil pan holder.
Yep.
It's a wood. You explain.
Yeah, especially what she just said. You know, if you're carrying more than one thing on Thanksgiving, one in each arm, they feel like they're going to collapse underneath you.
Yes.
These will cure that problem.
Yep. And it'll make it look nicer sitting on the table.
Yep.
So.
It's a wooden box that holds your pans. It'll be the same size as the, was it casserole pan?
Yeah, a 9x13
Oil
is
pan.
what will fit in
Yep.
it. You could make them, different sizes depending on what size of pans you use, but that's the most typical size. So.
Yeah, that's the one we're going to make. We will leave the dimensions in the description, and we'll put it at the end of the video too.
Yeah,
so.
and they sell for a good amount of money.
These will be reclaimed wood like always.
Yes.
So this won't cost us anything.
Yep.
So
Let's get started.
let's do it. All right, super simple. We're just going to make a frame here. Just use butt joints because they're easy.
Excuse me, what did you call? I'm kidding.
Silly.
But shouldn't have said that. Sorry. You can mute me.
Alright, now we got to put a bottom in it. Alright, for the bottom we're going to cut 3 pieces these are 11 and 15/16 long, and they'll be 3 1/4 wide. And they'll just fit right down inside of the pan. Alright, let's go to the table saw. And we're just gonna slide them right down in there. Pretty good. Now we'll just nail them in. All right.
You guys remember the toy cars we did at Christmas for our grandchildren? Well, we have leftover wheels.
We do.
And these make perfect little feet for our serving tray. So here you go, Aaron.
We're gonna take our countersink. I don't know how to do this to where you can see it. You see
I
that?
can see it.
Okay. We're gonna make that to where the head of the nail or screw fits down inside of it.
I don't know, whoever cooks in your family, husband, wife, well, whichever, you should make this for them. And maybe they'll make you like a lasagna or something to go in it.
As the guy that carries the things, this would be
Well,
helpful.
a lot of men cook too, though.
They
You
do.
cook too.
I do.
Not in the kitchen, he just smokes and grills, but that's still cooking.
It is.
He has made spaghetti before, though, when I was sick. So
Yeah. How fancy is that?
when the kids were little, my grown kids. That way I didn't have to cook for them.
Yep. It was really good spaghetti. Is that where you want the feet?
Yes. Yeah, we're putting these really close to the edge since they're so small, just so they'll show up more.
Yep. I'm just cutting off drywall screws. I know woodworking purists don't like using drywall screws with wood, but I don't really care. They work just fine.
It's a pan holder.
Yeah.
I think it'll be fine. You're not gonna sit on it or
Nope. And it's not going to be out in the
Structure.
weather.
no. We use whatever kind of screws we want, y'all.
We do. This is our channel. There you go. Now we'll just fill the nail holes and give it a quick sand and put some stain on it. That'll be it. Alright. We're using Briar Smoke by Varthane for this.
I don't think they could see that. 'cause
Well, you
that-
can't really see the name.
Lower, lower. There you go. See, little car wheels as feet turned out really good.
They did.
That stain is kind of thick.
It is.
That stain is kind of thick is what is trying to come out, but
All right.
all right, guys. So this is the foil pan holder.
Yep.
It's going to be great. It kind of dresses them up. That way they don't look so tacky sitting on the table. I love these things when we have get-togethers because I can just
Yeah.
throw them away when we're done. I don't have to wash them. So this is really nice.
Super fancy.
I hope you guys are enjoying our Wednesday videos. In order to do them, we're having to do little short videos because of work, but we'll keep trying to put them out.
Yeah.
So,
We appreciate you guys watching.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, you know you're going to have to make like 6 more of those, don't you?
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.